This is your generator here. There's two latch locks on the side. You do have a set of duplicate keys in here.
Okay.
We do recommend you keep these latch locks locked and closed, because if the wind gets a hold of it and rips your lid off, it's not covered by warranty, unfortunately. On this side over here, there's a solid green light. It should always be solid green. That means it's ready to run.
Okay.
When your house is on generator power, after you lose power, it'll be flashing green, and you can see that when we test it out.
Okay.
And then if it's any other color like yellow or red, most of the times we can see it over, like through the Wi-Fi,
Yeah.
which we have. And then if not, you know, we'll reach out to you, because we'll probably notice it before you will.
Right. Okay.
Other than that, it's on a 5-second delay, so as soon as you lose power, it takes about 5 seconds for the generator to sense that loss.
Okay.
Through the communication wires, and then it'll take about probably 20 to 30 seconds for it to transfer over from your power to the generator. So you'll see your lights. You'll lose power at first before it transfers over, but then when it goes from generator back to utility power, your lights will just flicker briefly. So if you don't need to save anything, we can run a test, if that's okay with you.
I'm okay with that. Now, they did say something like for the air conditioning or something. Does that?
Yeah, so we did put that load shed up there. So
Okay.
all that is when your generator first kicks on, it'll delay the air conditioning from coming on, just to make sure your generator's not being overloaded or anything.
Okay. Sweet.
I mean, most
But
people...
it'll run.
Yeah.
Just as long as you don't have everything on
Oh,
it.
okay.
It's in your house. It'll just kick on 5 minutes after. All it is
Okay.
a surge protector.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so don't have your dryer or hot tub, everything running
Everything
at once.
running, yeah.
Expect to run your AC.
Yeah.
All right, so I'll simulate a power outage now.
Okay.
We'll do that just by flipping this switch.
Okay.
So, ready?
Yep.
Sounds about like a lawnmower. So.
Yeah, I couldn't hear it too much.